Welcome to this tutorial on how to divide fractions. In this video, we'll walk you through the steps to divide both proper and improper fractions. In order to divide fractions, you first need to know how to multiply them. If you need to review how to multiply fractions, check out our video linked above. To start, let's write down the fractions we want to divide. Before we use real numbers, we'll start with some placeholder fractions. A over B and C over D. When dividing fractions, we first want to rewrite the equation using the keep, change, and flip method. We will keep the first fraction, change the division sign to multiplication, and then flip the second fraction by switching the top and bottom numbers. Next, we want to multiply the numerators together and the denominators together. The numerator of our answer is A times D, and the denominator is B times C. Lastly, simplify the fraction if needed. To do this, divide both the numerator and denominator by the greatest common factor. Now, let's do some examples. We'll follow this equation to find the quotient of two fractions. For the first example, we will divide 1/2 by 3/4. Let's use the keep, change, flip method to rewrite the equation. Keep 1/2, change to a multiplication operator, and flip the second fraction to 4/3. Now, multiply 1 and 4 to get 4 in the numerator, and 2 times 3 in the denominator to get 6. This fraction can be reduced, and the greatest common factor between 4 and 6 is 2, so divide both the numerator and denominator by 2. 4 divided by 2 is 2, and 6 divided by 2 is 3. So our final answer is 2/3. For another example, let's divide 7/5 by -2/3. Rewriting the equation, we keep 7/5, change to multiplication, and flip 2/3 to 3/2. We can keep the negative sign in the numerator. Next, do 7 times -3 for the numerator, which is -21, and do 5 times 2 in the denominator, which is 10. This fraction cannot be reduced, so our answer is -21/10. Now that you understand how to divide fractions, let's head over to CalculatorSoup.com's fractions calculator to keep dividing. The fractions calculator will divide two fractions and show you step by step how to get the answer. Let's do another example. 1/6 divided by 2/9. Then, let's hit the calculate button. Using this calculator, we get an answer of 3/4. In the steps shown below, you can see how the keep, change, flip rule was applied. Keep 1/6, change the operator to multiplication, and flip 2/9 to 9/2. 1 times 9 is 9, and 6 times 2 is 12. This fraction was reduced using the greatest common factor of 3. 9 divided by 3 is 3, and 12 divided by 3 is 4. So our final answer is 3/4. Now you know how to divide fractions. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials from Calculator Soup.